In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out and sign out of your Google Drive account. We'll go step by step, ensuring that you not only understand the process, but can follow along comfortably. Understanding how to securely log out is crucial, especially if you're using a shared or public device. It keeps your information safe and maintains your privacy. To start, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Once you've reached the Google Drive homepage, check the top right corner of the screen. You should see your Google account profile picture or your initial letter displayed here. This is where you'll initiate the sign-out process. Begin by clicking on your profile picture or initial. A small menu should pop up with additional information and options for your account. This menu provides access to various Google services and personalized settings tied to your account, making it a useful feature to be familiar with for account management. Next, direct your attention to the bottom of this menu where you'll find the Sign Out option. Clicking on Sign Out will log you out from your Google Drive account, but it's important to note that this action will also sign you out of all other Google services in the same browser. So, if you're using Gmail or any other Google services, you'll be signed out from those as well. After clicking Sign Out, you'll be redirected to the Google Sign-In page. This is a great checkpoint to ensure that your sign out was successful. You can close the browser tab now or log in with another account if you need to access different credentials. If you're using a mobile device, the steps are quite similar but vary slightly due to the interface. Open your preferred browser and head to drive.google.com. Here, tap on the menu icon, which may appear as 3 horizontal lines or dots, depending on your browser. This is typically located in the upper corner of your screen. In this menu, you'll see your profile picture or initial. Tap on this, and similar to the desktop version, a menu will appear with the Sign Out option. Select Sign Out to log out from your Google Drive account. Again, this will log you out from all Google services on that browser. Lastly, always remember to clear your browsing data, particularly if you're on a public device. This adds an extra layer of privacy and ensures that no personal data is retained. You can usually find this option within your browser's settings under Privacy or History. And there you have it. A simple yet thorough way to log out of your Google Drive account, ensuring your information remains secure. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more instructional content. Thanks for watching.